Another Linux desktop environment review, Cinnamon Desktop. Why is Cinnamon so good? Cinnamon Desktop has a familiar layout, meaning if you're coming from Windows land, the adoption is going to be pretty straightforward. It kind of works more or less like Windows. That's why the Linux Mint team uses and develops it. Cinnamon Desktop is also very user-friendly. Unlike i3 and other desktops, Cinnamon has some sane defaults and it works very much like Windows. Another pro. Cinnamon Desktop is also very customizable. It comes with built-in themes, widgets, docklets, all the stuff you need to rice out your desktop. Because it's built in and designed for customization in mind, your Linux installer is probably going to survive after you make these changes. Top tier. Now let's talk about the downsides to Cinnamon Desktop. Cinnamon Desktop is lighter weight than GNOME, but also heavier than stuff like XFCE or LXCE. All right, meaning it doesn't really run that well on some older hardware. Not only that, but Cinnamon Desktop is designed for Linux Mint, meaning if you're not running Cinnamon Desktop on Linux Mint, you're missing out on some of the integrations and you might face some problems with your install later on. Like most Linux desktops with lots of customization, you're also going to run into glitches and weird UI issues with Cinnamon Desktop on occasion. And the customization might break things later on down the line. So keep that in mind. All the same though, Cinnamon Desktop is pretty legit. If you like this content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe here on TikTok or over on YouTube or whatever platform you're on. Otherwise, as always, thank you for watching. See you guys around.